In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Nissan Pathfinder. Let's get started. Under the dash on the passenger side, you'll notice that there's this little door here with a tab. Push the tab up and pull the door out. That's going to expose the cabin air filter, which is basically impossible to see from here. I'm going to take a pick. You can feel for it, it's right there. But with my pick, what I'm going to do is stick it in, and it's a hook pick, so I'm going to stick it in straight, twist it, and pull the cabin air filter out. Now, if you can do this without a pick, go for it. Most likely, it is going to be very difficult. There it is. It's coming out. It is most likely going to be extremely dusty. So keep that in mind. And as you pull it down, try not to break it, because if you break it, now you're going to end up pulling out a bunch of different pieces. There it is. On this new air filter, you'll see that it has arrows in both directions. That means the airflow, as it says right here, can go in either direction. A lot of times they are directional. This one is not, so it really doesn't matter which way you put it in, as long as you put it in facing the right way. So the only thing you want to pay attention to is to put the reinforced ends on the left and the right, not top and bottom. It won't even fit this way. So you have to put it in this way, but it doesn't matter if you flip it in either direction. Now let's take the new filter, and you can squish it a little bit to get it in here. You're most likely going to have to. It won't fit otherwise. Squish it like an accordion like this. Slide it in. As soon as you stick it in all the way, it will expand inside of there. You won't see it, but it will. Now, what you want to pay attention to is that you put it in all the way, even at the top here, and that the bottom actually expands flat. A lot of times the bottom right here will tend to curve in like that. It stays bent, basically. Looks like mine is doing that right now. Oh, I just got it to straighten out. So you can feel the air filter. If you feel right along the opening here, you should not feel it curve in. If you do, it's not seated. And if it's not seated, all you need to do is just wiggle it up and down, and it basically will unfold itself. So at this point, you can put this cap back on. It only has a hook on the bottom, so you slide it up and then press it on. All right, once this is clicked into place and secured, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.